pa pa pa, boom, 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 boom. Let the games begin. Wow! Come on, coach. You living in the past. Woo! Ta, pa. Woo! Može! Woo! 2 minute. Evo ga. To.
Dobra, ideš. 6 time. 1, 2, tako je. 3. Oh, this is good to you hold your body one line. 4, 5, tako je. 6. 5 sklek. I 1, tako je. 2, 3.
Evo ga.
4.
Da.
Još 1. Tako, dobro. Malo teško, ali okej. Leđa straight. Nogi široko i sumo squat. 4 times. 1, tako. Chest up. 1, 2. 4 puta. 2. 3. Tako je. Zadnji. Okej. Up. Tako. Regular squat. 3 times. O, bravo. 1. 2. Tako je. 3. Dobro. I na kraju 2 time press. 1. Tak. Super. Okay, and this is full complex and 2-minute break. Polako. If you would like to improve your general athletic performance, this pre-workout is really great solution, including 3 main substances like caffeine, beta-alanine and creatine in perfect combination. You will be workout more intense and you will need less break between sets and repetition. More information about this product you can find in the description of this video.